New Balance continues to show why it remains a favorite among sneaker fans, especially those who closely follow its premium releases. While many people focus on headline models and general updates, the brand's deeper lineup offers even more to appreciate for longtime supporters. One of the most respected collections is the Made in UK line, known for its craftsmanship and attention to detail. In recent years, this line has highlighted silhouettes like the 1500 and the evolving 991 V2. The latest New Balance 991 V2 made in UK potter's clay brings a bold update to the classic runner. It features rich, fiery suede that stands out while still feeling refined. Clean white inner linings balance the look, while earthy tones across the midsole add depth and character. Everything is finished with a full gum outsole that ties the design together. The model has started appearing at overseas retailers, signaling a wider release soon, with a confirmed retail price of $275.